Hi, I'm Priscilla with ROOST Real Estate Company. If you already own a home and you're thinking about moving up or moving on, I want to talk to you today because here's the truth. Buying your next home while selling your current one is one of the most exciting steps you can take, but it's also one of the most stressful. And that's okay. The mix of joy and nerves just means it matters. This isn't just about buying another house. It's about creating a home that fits the life you're living now. Maybe you need more space. Maybe you're moving closer to work or into a new school district. Maybe you're downsizing and simplifying. Whatever the reason, moving from one home to another is about building your bigger future. If you're like most homeowners, you've probably thought, what if my house sells too fast and I don't have anywhere to go? What if my dream home comes up but I haven't sold yet? What if I get stuck carrying two mortgages? Those worries are real. But there are strategies to manage every one of them. Step one is always financing. Even if you have a lot of equity, you want to get pre-approved early. That tells you your true buying power and makes sure you can act quickly when the right house comes along. Then comes the big question. Do you buy first, sell first, or try to do both at the same time? Some people buy first using bridge financing or a home equity line of credit to cover the gap. Others sell first so they know exactly how much equity they'll have. And then there's the ideal, buying and selling simultaneously. With the right contingencies, you can close on both homes the same day, sell in the morning, buy in the afternoon, and move once. We can also use contingencies in your contracts to protect you. For example, making your purchase contingent on selling your current home. And sometimes we negotiate what's called a rent back agreement. That means you sell your home, close on it, and then rent it back from the buyer for 30 or 60 days while you move into your new place. That gives you breathing room without the stress of being between homes. And here's something else to keep in mind. After the recent NAR settlement, you as a homeowner actually have more control than ever before. As a seller, you decide how commissions are structured. As a buyer, you sign a written agreement with your agent that spells out exactly what they'll do for you and how they'll be paid. It's transparent, it's accountable, and it means you're in charge on both sides of the deal. I know this might sound like a lot, but remember, you've already done this once before. You've built equity. You know what it takes to buy a home. And now you get to do it again with more clarity, more confidence, and more support than ever. Yes, there will be details and decisions. But with the right strategy, you can make this move not just manageable, but exciting and joyful. At ROOST Real Estate Company, we specialize in helping families just like yours line up both transactions so you can move once seamlessly. We'll handle the negotiations, the timelines, and the moving parts so you can focus on what really matters, creating the home that fits your next chapter. If you're ready to talk about your next roost, reach out today. We'd love to help you get there with confidence, clarity, and joy. I'm Priscilla with ROOST Real Estate Company, and I look forward to helping you make your next move.